Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are showing you how to make a doll-sized glass table. Also, this video is a collab with Mello's dolls. Don't forget to check out her video as well. She's doing a DIY as well. I'll leave the link in the description and in the eye or at the top right corner. So before starting the video, let's give the shoutouts to Thank you all so much for commenting. And remember, if you'd like a shout out, all you have to do is comment something nice in my videos. So now let's get into the video. So to start, first of all, you will need plastic from packaging. I'm using a plastic from a doll packaging. And for the legs, I'm going to use a hot glue gun stick. So let's get started. So taking a ruler, I am going to cut how much I want the table to be. So after I have cut out the plastic, I am going to file the sides using a filer to make it less sharp. So I have filed the sides of my plastic sheet. And I also cut the edges round so that it's not sharp. Now for the legs, I'm going to use hot glue gun stick as I told. So you're going to have to cut it into small sizes. I want to make a small glass table. You can cut it in any size you want. Next, to join them, I'm going to use hot glue gun again. So I'm going to take my glue gun and then stick. So I have joined the legs of the table using the hot glue gun sticks and it's complete now. I think it looks fabulous. Everything is detailed. And now our dolls have a fabulous glass table. And they can use it on their room to do some work. It's awesome! So guys, don't forget to check out Mello's dolls video. I know it's going to be awesome. I'm going to leave the link in the description as I already told. So I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye and thanks for watching.